Hey guys, so the last video you guys actually watched was my empty house tour. So today I actually have to go to work in about an hour, but tomorrow and Friday are going to be two very busy days. We are basically going to hopefully finish the main rooms, painting them. And then his family actually arrives on Sunday, which we plan on taking a little break from fixing the house and getting everything ready, other than packing some more of our stuff, since we are having about 6 people stay with us in this house, and we'll probably be going and see both my sister-in-laws and getting lit. But yeah, so stay tuned if you want to see more of house stuff.
Grow with me or grow with you. Learning things I didn't know in youth. These rough rides turn out so smooth. When I'm going through these same things with you.
I am addicted to coffee, and I just made my husband's and mine. So I actually saw at Costco this Cafe de Vita. Simply iced coffee. It's 100% Colombian coffee. It's an instant one. It's slightly sweetened, and basically you just add water or milk to it. Ew, milk. I can't have milk. So I just made mine. I actually put 2 scoops in mine. I actually recommends 1 scoop, but it's actually pretty good, if you guys could even see that, to really give you a little bit of a boost in the morning. It's nothing like Starbucks, but Basic gets mad because he's like, coffee's coffee. No, it's not, but it's good. It's good though. ¿Quieren a comer? We actually went to Goodwill, which you can find some bomb shit there. And we picked up a couple things, and I'll quickly show them to you, and I also will show you what I got at JCPenney. So I'll take the 3 pictures, and you could throw it on a wall. I kind of think it'll look really cute by the bathroom that's upstairs before you even go in. And that was like $3. We got this cute thing for our game room. It says, "Never give up, no matter what." Thought that was super cute, and this was $4.99. I got that cute. What's it called? Oh my god! Bed set for $90 at JCPenney. I love the way those colors look. Bed set, yeah, and I already picked that up. We got this awesome freaking painting. It's so cool. Like, are you kidding me? And we don't know where we're putting it. But this is $6.99. But that is so dope. I love it. Bathroom, they're actually like this, and since I painted it, I bought this at the dollar store, and we're gonna cover that. Let's hope I don't fail.
You did it before?
Oh, that is what it looks like. Noticed that I never showed you guys the kitchen countertops, so they're actually pretty beaten up. It's also pretty beaten up. So our in-laws present to us is actually new countertops. This is the one me and my husband picked. Isn't it pretty? I love it. And then the sink is actually going to be silver, which is actually right there. Can't really show you. Oh, there you go. It's going to be like that. Currently waiting for Bay to finish painting the guest room. Such a pretty color. I'm so obsessed. Everybody kept telling me, it's too dark, it's too dark. Ish. No, it's not. So we just finished painting this wall dark gray. We still don't know what's going to go there. We don't know if we're going to end up putting the sofa there, or we're going to end up putting the TV. But it's such a pretty, pretty deep color. I love gray. All right, and then we went to a furniture store, and we found this gem. It's called Asian something, to be honest with you, I don't remember. But it is a TV stand, and my husband loves it because he can actually put like his games in here. Don't even know how to open it. Yeah, his games in here, and so it is so pretty. I can't wait till we actually have it laying back there and having the TV on it. Sorry, I had to turn on the flashlight in order for you to see it, but that is what it looks like. But I think that is it for today's little quick vlog and update. I really hope you guys enjoy. If you do, don't forget to thumbs up and subscribe, and I'll see you guys next time.
Where it starts, nobody knows.